Pass me a taco, chief. Please put my microscope away, teacher, and I picked my apples today. These are all mnemonic devices for remembering the cell division process we all know and love. Mitosis. Mitosis is the cell division process that most cells in your bodies perform. Whether you get a scrape on your arm or you're a bacteria that reproduces asexually, it is an important process in life as it helps us with growth and repair. Interphase, prophase, prometaphase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. We can all remember the basics, right? We can all probably remember that the cell is in interphase most of the time as well. And that's because the cell must undergo the first gap phase, which is where the cell increases in size and prepares to replicate through the synthesis phase. And that is when the cell replicates its DNA, gaining 2 complete sets of chromosomes. And then the second gap phase, where the cell continues to grow and prepares for mitosis. What many people may not know is that these phases have checkpoints. You can imagine these like those pit stops at a racetrack. The proteins responsible for this checkpoints are CDK cycling complex, the enzyme substrate complex that works together to directly phosphorylate target proteins and stimulate the cell cycle to progress forward. Tumor suppressor proteins, the protein that inhibits cell division and preventing uncontrolled cell growth. In this case, the protein is p53 encoded by the gene TP53. Back to the racetrack example. The p53 can represent the brakes in a race car. Its job is to slow down the car or stop it if something is wrong. When the car, or cell, is moving too fast or experiencing issues, the brakes, p53, kick in to make sure everything is safe before continuing. The CDK cycling complex represents the accelerator in a race car. They give the car the power to move forward and progress through the division cycle/racetrack. When working right, they help the car work at an optimal speed. However, if the brakes happen to give out or stop working, or if the accelerator malfunctions and continues to rapidly increase out of control, this can result in uncontrolled cell division, initiating the beginning of the cancer process. To put it short, mitosis is important to understanding cancer because it shows how small problems in cell division can lead to large serious issues. When proteins or genes don't work properly, it can cause different types of cancer. And thanks to a lot of research, doctors can now have better ways to target these problems and help fight cancer. And it's amazing how something as basic as how our cells divide can lead to something like life-saving treatments for patients. Mitosis is both interesting and scary at the same time. So I encourage everyone to learn about it because it's happening inside all of us right now. Thank you.